Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Plug in the Dash Waffle Maker and set it to the recommended medium setting. While it warms, mix your batter. Measure flour, egg, milk, and oil and stir until lumps disappear, but don't overmix, because less gluten means tender waffles. Once the indicator shows ready, brush or spray the plates with a thin layer of oil. This prevents sticking without smoking. Make sure batter is slightly thick. If too thin, add a tablespoon of flour, and you're ready for the first pour. Pour batter into the center of the lower plate. Use about 1/3 to 1/2 cup depending on your Dash model, and let gravity spread it. Close the lid carefully so batter doesn't squirt out. You should see steam at first, then gradually reduce. Cook 3 to 5 minutes. The key cue is when steam drops and the edges look set and slightly crisp. Once done, open slowly and lift the waffle with a silicone or wooden tool to avoid scratching. Transfer to a cooling rack to keep texture crisp. Finish by moving waffles to a rack for 1 to 2 minutes so steam escapes and crispness returns. Serve immediately with your chosen toppings. If you're making several, re-grease the plates sparingly between batches and allow the maker to reheat for 30–60 seconds so temperature stays steady. If you encounter sticking, make sure the unit reached full preheat and try slightly thicker batter. Reduce milk by a tablespoon or clean and re-grease plates. These adjustments fix texture and sticking.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.